If you want to get best cuticle remover, according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position we have Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover. Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover is a fast-acting and efficient solution to removing cuticles. The formula is gentle yet effective, working to dissolve the excess skin around your nails in just seconds. The product comes in a small, convenient bottle with a brush applicator, making it easy to apply precisely to your cuticles. The Instant Cuticle Remover is easy to use, and you only need to apply a small amount to each cuticle before waiting for it to work its magic. After about 15 to 30 seconds, you can gently push back the cuticles using a cuticle pusher or orangewood stick. The results are impressive, leaving your nails looking clean, neat, and healthy. One of the most significant advantages of the Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover is that it doesn't contain any harsh chemicals, making it safe to use on your nails without causing damage. It also doesn't have a strong, overpowering odor like some other cuticle removers, making it much more pleasant to use. Overall, the Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover is a must-have for anyone looking for a quick, easy, and effective solution to maintaining healthy nails. It's affordable, convenient, and delivers excellent results, making it a popular choice among nail enthusiasts worldwide. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Beurer MP62 Professional Nail Drill Kit. The Beurer MP62 Professional Nail Drill Kit is an excellent investment for anyone who wants to maintain salon-quality nails at home. This kit includes everything you need to shape, file, and buff your nails to perfection. The kit comes in a handy case, which makes it easy to store and travel with. The nail drill itself is powerful yet quiet, and it has 6 different speed settings to cater to all your nail care needs. The kit includes 10 different attachments that can be easily interchanged depending on the task at hand. These attachments include a cone-shaped grinding stone for removing dead skin, a cylindrical grinding stone for filing and shaping nails, and a felt buffing attachment for creating a smooth, glossy finish. One of the most significant advantages of the Beurer MP62 Professional Nail Drill Kit is that it's incredibly easy to use. The nail drill is lightweight, and the attachments can be swapped in and out with ease. Additionally, the kit comes with an easy-to-follow instruction manual that provides step-by-step guidance on how to use each attachment to achieve the desired results. Overall, the Beurer MP62 Professional Nail Drill Kit is a top-quality investment for anyone looking to maintain beautiful, healthy nails at home. It's a versatile and powerful tool that can be used for a variety of nail care tasks, and it's incredibly user-friendly. Whether you're a professional nail technician or a DIY enthusiast, this kit is a must-have for achieving salon-quality results. The number 3 position is held by Cuccio Naturale Revitalizing. Cuccio Naturale Revitalizing is an excellent cuticle oil that can help improve the health and appearance of your nails. This product comes in a small bottle with a convenient brush applicator that makes it easy to apply directly to your cuticles. The formula contains natural ingredients like sunflower oil, safflower oil, and vitamin E, which work together to hydrate and nourish your cuticles. The oil is absorbed quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue on your nails. One of the most significant advantages of Cuccio Naturale Revitalizing is that it's incredibly effective. The oil works to soften and moisturize your cuticles, making them easier to push back and remove. It also helps to prevent hangnails and other types of cuticle damage. Another advantage of this product is that it has a pleasant scent. The oil has a light, fresh fragrance that isn't overpowering, making it much more pleasant to use than other cuticle oils that can have a strong chemical smell. Overall, Cuccio Naturale Revitalizing is an excellent cuticle oil that can help improve the health and appearance of your nails. It's affordable, easy to use, and contains natural ingredients that are safe for your skin. If you're looking for a product that can help you achieve healthy, beautiful nails, this cuticle oil is definitely worth trying. Next at number 4 we have Cuticle Trimmer with Cap by Revlon. The Cuticle Trimmer with Cap by Revlon is a great tool for anyone looking to maintain neat and healthy-looking nails. The trimmer comes in a compact, lightweight design that makes it easy to use and store. It also comes with a protective cap that helps keep the blade clean and safe when not in use. The blade is sharp and precise, making it easy to trim away excess cuticles without damaging the surrounding skin. The trimmer is also easy to maneuver, thanks to its ergonomic design that fits comfortably in your hand. One of the most significant advantages of the Cuticle Trimmer with Cap by Revlon is that it's affordable. It's a great option for those who don't want to spend a lot of money on expensive nail care tools but still want to achieve salon-quality results. Another advantage of this trimmer is that it's easy to clean. The protective cap can be removed, allowing you to rinse the blade with water and soap to keep it hygienic. Overall, the Cuticle Trimmer with Cap by Revlon is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to achieve neat, healthy-looking nails. It's affordable, easy to use, and easy to clean. If you're looking for a reliable cuticle trimmer that won't break the bank, this one is definitely worth considering. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by OPI ProSpa Exfoliating Cuticle Cream. The OPI ProSpa Exfoliating Cuticle Cream is an excellent product for anyone looking to improve the health and appearance of their cuticles. This cream comes in a small jar and has a thick, luxurious texture that feels amazing on your skin. The formula contains a blend of alpha-hydroxy acids and natural fruit extracts that work together to exfoliate and hydrate your cuticles. The cream also contains avocado oil and capuca butter, which help nourish and soften your skin. One of the most significant advantages of the OPI ProSpa Exfoliating Cuticle Cream is that it's incredibly effective. The cream works quickly to remove dead skin and other debris from your cuticles, leaving them looking healthy and smooth. It also helps to prevent hangnails and other types of cuticle damage. Another advantage of this cream is that it has a pleasant scent. The cream has a light, refreshing fragrance that isn't overpowering, making it much more pleasant to use than other cuticle creams that can have a strong chemical smell. Overall, the OPI ProSpa Exfoliating Cuticle Cream is a great product for anyone looking to improve the health and appearance of their cuticles. It's a bit more expensive than some other cuticle creams on the market, but it's definitely worth the investment if you want to achieve salon-quality results at home. If you're looking for a high-quality cuticle cream that can help you achieve healthy, beautiful nails, this product is definitely worth trying. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.